Now, take a very good look at this chart. This is MEW USDT. Take a very critical look at this chart. What do you see? This is a pure downtrend, and we want to take a sell position back to the downside. But we must first acknowledge what our distribution model looks like using the wyckoff schematic with respect to liquidity and inducement. Now, the first thing we want to do is come here. Let's plot our schematic so that we see everything in real time. Assuming this was a downtrend, like so. Now, look at this schematic very clearly, guys. Look at this. As a trader, what do you observe? We're moving down. Now, we must, I repeat, we must, first of all, plot out our range, our trading range. All right, our trading range, we must plot it out and, use that to actually fine tune our trading model. Now, if we do this, let's say we have the last impulsive move here. Let's assume this was our last impulsive move. Oops, my bad. Let's assume this was the last impulsive move. Right? Here's our last impulsive move. So I'm going to plot our range from there. And then we take the first pullback, which is this guy here. This point here. We take our first pullback. Once that has been achieved, then we now know what we are doing. Now, we want to see price break out of this range to the downside first, showing you that there's a sign of weakness. We want to see price break out from here, showing us that there's what sign of weakness, right? And then we want to see price retest this upper range, or if possible, go across it for the very first time. We want to see it retest once. Then we want to see a buy model that is what broken. We want to see a buy model. This is a buy model. Let me show you. We want to see a buy model that is broken. This is a buy model. Now, I want to see a buy model that is broken. Right? Now, so where is the buy model that is broken? Right here. This is our buy model that was broken. You can see how price moved from here. Oops. You can see how price moved from here and what broke down. So we must see a buy model that is broken. Right? Good. Now, we also want to see price break out of the range completely. We want to see price break out of the range completely. And this is our second validation that we are about to sell. All right, then we start with trading towards the downside to maybe the last liquidity point or inducement level, which is somewhere around here. And say somewhere around here as well. Yeah, so basically those two levels, right? Those two levels, guys. Now, let's take a very close look at this and put it on the 15 minutes time frame so that you see everything happening in real time. Okay? See everything happening in real time. Now, here's our first impulsive move here. First impulsive move was here, was this point. We retraced up to here. Can you see that? And now, here's our sign of weakness. Sign of weakness is this. Everything here is our sign of weakness. Now, you see how price just managed to stagger, and it came back here. Came back here, to this level. This is live. I'm showing you. It's a real live chart, and I'm already in this trade. I'm speaking to you. Now, here's our buy model. Look at our buy model here. That was broken. This is our buy model. And it was broken, which is here. And you see this? This is the buy model that was broken. Can you see? It was broken. Broke down massively. Now, we retraced back again, sweeping this inducement. Let me knock this out. Retrace back again, sweeping this inducement. Then price is doing its thing right now because we are selling massively to the downside. This is just superb entry. So, but me, I would like to come in somewhere around here. When price retraces again, I would like to come in here to take my sell and then swing it all the way to this point. I'll swing all the way, knock this out. I'm going to swing all the way from here down to this point. And my R arrow is usually 1 to 2, sometimes 1 to just above the inducement there. 1 to 2.5. Oh yes, 1 to 2.5. Let me refine this very well. This is a protected high because it has swept liquidity. So 1 to 2.5, amazing trade. So when you keep doing this, keep repeating this, you see trading becomes super easy. This is live chart I'm showing you. I'm not showing you something that had already played out. So maybe when this eventually plays out confidently, we're going to come back here again to look at it, hopefully in another video, as the case may be. So one love, peace out to you guys. Every link you need is in the description of this video. Link to reach me for mentorship, link to reach me for collaborations is right there in the description of this video. Like, share, turn on your post notifications so you get updated when next I'll be posting videos like this for your consumption. Peace out, one love, stay blessed, stay happy.